Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to check the warranty status for your laptop. So to do that, you'll have to get your device's serial number, and you can do that by looking on the bottom cover of your laptop. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply open the Start menu, search for the PowerShell, then run it as administrator, click yes, and use the command, which is, let me move it closer so that you can see it, get WinI object spacebar Win32 object BIOS, then vertical slash select serial number, then press enter, and right here you'll have the serial number of your device. So copy it by selecting it and right-clicking on it. Now open your web browser application and then search for DELL warranty check. Scroll down and open the local website of DELL. Now let me translate it to you. Okay, so right now you'll have to insert your serial number in this field and click on search, and that's how you do it. So right now you'll see all the information about your warranty right here, as well as the details about your device. And that's basically it. That's how you check the warranty status for your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.